Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So solid day for AMC on today, guys. End of the day, trading at the hours at $15.55. So what we seen at Power Hour, a little pullback. Don't be discouraged by that, guys, because like I told you guys, we could have seen that coming, easily seen that coming. We reached our max potential of the day. All that I expected for AMC to do on the day. If we would have did any more than that, that would have just been icing on the cake and exceeded expectations. So for the ones that's in the back, probably like, man, we always running up, coming right back down. It played out exactly how it was expected to play out on today, guys. Now tomorrow, if we continue to come down even lower and don't push back up from here, then you can start to say that, guys. So, hey, mama, what mama doing? Go help mama. Okay. So, AMC ended that was trading at hours at $15.55, guys, and like we know, it's been a solid week for the start, guys. And on last week we had a solid strong finish of last week, and now we done broke above that main resistance at $14.50, then went up and test the max levels that we was anticipating on, which was $15.80 in the low 16, 16.10, 16.13, right around the peak that we end up hitting. GameStop also fulfilled this pattern. I told you guys, looking at GameStop charts, we had a resistance at 124 and 129. Once we broke 129, I said GameStop could fly to the high 130s and the low 140s. That's basically 138, 139. Between that and 141, 142. What GameStop hit today? A peak of 141, guys. It fulfilled this pattern. Then it's doing exactly what we was intending for it to do. And now we want to see GameStop treat 129 as a form of support. And AMC, we want to hold at $14.50 firmly, but we don't even want to necessarily go back down that low, guys. So AMC needs to hold up in the 15s. We at least want to, go no lower than the low 15s. If the market makers want to take out some stop losses, scare a few people, that also got to do with the drop at Power Hour. Like I told you guys, if we trend up all day long, the morning, lunchtime come and we don't have a severe sell-off, a nice little sell-off that's very convincing that we knew that it was a sell-off, then you could definitely expect for one either Power Hour or after hours, because sometimes they try to trick you at the hours. Just as we seen on Thursday, it continued to trend up morning, lunchtime, and Power Hour, and then where the drop came at the hours. Today it continued to trend up morning, lunch, Power Hour drop, and now it's trying to get back a little bit in after hours. So as we know, guys, we want to stay up above in the 15s. That's just going to give us some strong conviction and the confirmation that we is about to, start trending back up. But if we do break below 15, it isn't the end of the world. Being the end of the world is if we go under 14, really. We really want to see firm support at $14.50. So if we was to shoot up the way we did and come all the way back to $14.50, don't look at that as a bad thing, because it's no walls in between that jump from $14.50 to the high $15, $16 range. That's why we got there so quickly. So if we was to take a step back and go back, don't be discouraged by that, guys. But like I say, I definitely want to see us hold up in the 15 range. That would give us even more conviction on the play, meaning the people that's just now starting to get in and all these day traders, we need to hold them in as long as we can to continue to build this momentum. And we don't care where they get off at, but we just need to continue to have them on the ride to continue to bring in more FOMO. The higher we get, and as people jump off, it'll be more people jumping right on, guys. So you already know AMC is looking good. We've been waiting patiently for this, guys. We got a 2-for-1 that's definitely in the making, meaning we got AMC so much money that they able to get ahead of this thing fundamentally as well. So this is a squeeze play, plus it's fundamentally a good stock to be investing in during this time. So you already know, guys, like Hannah Montana, it's the best of both worlds. But anyways, I love you guys. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, and we out. And God bless you.